Good morning, friends. From last few videos, we were running DAX functions in Power BI. So let's continue with the same topic. In this video, we are going to learn calculated columns, then measures, and what is the difference between calculated columns and measures. For this, first I'm going to upload data file. You can find in the description section of the video. File name is retail store. Select the sheet and go to transform data first. So here you can find various columns just such as row ID, order date, ship date, customer details, country, city, state, postal code, region, and product ID, and the category and subcategory of the product, detail of the product name, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So these are all the columns in the data set. Then go to close and apply button and press on close and apply. It will take some few seconds to load the data. So here you can find all the columns as per our data set. You have to go table view. So here in table view you find new column and new measure option. Before this video we see new column option. Suppose I want to calculate total sales for this data set. So click on new column. Total sales column equal to, so here I am going to sum all sales values in the sales column, sum function, and then mention the column name, bracket complete, press enter. So we get new column here, total sales underscore column. So this is the use of new column. Let's see another option. What is the difference between new column and measure? So similarly we can find in table tools, go to, first I'm going to copy this code here. Same code will use in new measure option. Go to new measure and the column name is total sales underscore measure equal to, paste the code, delete this part, sum sales, and press enter. So here you can see no new column added in the data set because we currently working on new measure option. So you can find this new measure total sales underscore measure in the data field section. in this video. In this here, you can find this in this section, total sales measure. So now we will see what is the difference between these two values. For that, click on the report view and we use card to see the difference between these two concepts in Power BI DAX. So first we see general total sales, drag this column and bring into the cart. So here it shows total sales for all product. It is 26.08k. Similarly, again click on the screen and select card option again. Now we check with our new column option. So here total sales underscore column, drag this and so it shows 2.58 million sum of total sales underscore column. Again I am going to select new card here and now select total sales underscore measure. This value we calculated using new measure option. So you can find this value, this value and this value is same, but now this value it shows very high value here and it is a wrong value. It is not a correct value. So actually what happened, you can see here in a data view we have added new column and it actually added all these values in the column total sales column as a total sales. So actually we want to do calculation not a column wise, that is row wise. So this is the difference between the new column and measure. So where we can use a new column and where we can use new measure. Suppose we want to do calculation row wise, just means this wise. So here we can use new column option. But when we want to do calculation column wise aggregation, sum, average, count, then we have to use new measure. So it will give us correct value. So this is the difference between new measure and new column. Now we see where we can use new column. Here we have one column that is sales and discount. Using these two columns, I am going to create new column here. New column. Final sales value. Actually, it shows wrong value for many products, but I am taking this for example purpose. Is equal to sales into discount. Press enter. So here you can find except 0 you can find, I am going to unclick 0 values. So here sales value is 51.312 and here it gives 0.2% or 0.2 as a discount. So final value is 10.2624. So actually not a final value, it shows discount value here I'm going to edit this final sales value note, that is a discount value here. So here we can find discount value for particular product as per the sales value and discount value. So here we are working in a row wise. So here we use new column, and for column wise calculation such as total of sales, we can use new measure. So this is done for this video. Please like my all videos, share with your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Punyanagari. Thank you.